It's time to make love. Lovely lean lava cakes? What were you guys thinking? Come on, this is a cooking show. Get your heads out of the gutter, guys. Oh, I can't believe you were thinking that. We're doing a recipe today. It's a lean, lovely lava cake. That's what I meant. And it's also sugar-free, keto-friendly, and still packed full of chocolatey flavor. What's not to love about that? Today's recipe is amazing. It is a lean, healthy lava cake, sugar-free, keto-friendly. I'm gonna show you how to make it on this episode of Lean Living. Woo! First step to the lean lava cakes is obviously having lean, sugar-free chocolate. This is my go-to kind right here. Always have this stocked in the cupboard in case I want to make a lean chocolatey treat and satisfy that sweet tooth, which is exactly what we're doing today. So we're going to add 8 ounces of this sugar-free chocolate chips into a glass bowl, just like that. And then we're gonna go 1/3 cup coconut oil into the bowl as well. Is like the worst measurement ever, but that's about 1/3 cup going in with the chocolate chips. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to melt chocolate. There's 2 different ways to do it. One is in the microwave. You can do it in about 30-second blast increments, and that way you're gonna avoid scorching and burning your chocolate. However, the best and most effective way to make sure you don't do that is by doing it on the stovetop. And what you do is you boil a little water in a pan, just like such, and then we're gonna place our glass bowl in that pan, turn the simmer off so the water is completely unheated, and it's slowly going to melt our chocolate. That way we get the perfect melted chocolate flavor texture without any burns whatsoever. Oh, side note, while we're making our chocolate, you actually want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Okay, I just quickly want to show you guys how much better your chocolate turns out when you actually do it over the stovetop versus the microwave. So, check it out there. Hopefully you can get a good view. Look at that, that is like perfect melted chocolate. Oh yeah. So this is 100% the way I always recommend it, but again, you can use the microwave if you don't have this set up on your stovetop here. Woo! Next step is to crack 4 eggs into a large bowl here, and then we're gonna whisk them until they're nice and foamy. So 1 eggy, 2 eggy, woo! 3 and 4, and whisk away. If you have a hand mixer, feel free. I'm actually exercising my muscles, and this is gonna take a couple minutes. You wanna get these eggs foamy, so whisk really fast. Earn that whoopsie, earn that lava cake. There we have it. Nice foamy, that's exactly what you want them to look like. Look at that, perfect chocolate, perfect chocolate. So now we're gonna combine the chocolate with the egg mix, and we're going to mix again. I told you this was a lean lava cake. It's because you burn about 2 cakes just making this. So you're gonna see, it gets a whole lot thicker. So give it a good whisk. Whew. Oh yes, look at that. That is like perfect. Can you see? That is what you want to be getting to, that kind of consistency. Next step is 1/2 cup of almond flour. Once you got the almond flour in here, we're just gonna combine. You don't have to overmix it. Just give it a few swirls. You can use your spatula, you can use your mixing machines, you can hand mix. You can do it any way you want, but just don't over mix, all right? That's kind of consistency there. You can see I got all the almond flour in there. Woo! Next step is to get 6 ramekins. That's how many I'm using. And we're going to spoon our mix into each one, or you can just pour, choice is yours, and give it a go. Whoop! There you have it, 6 ramekins filled with the lean lava cake in the oven, 425, 6 minutes. Hot! There we have it, squaddies. That is the final lean lava cake. Looks so good. Smells even better. I cannot wait to get this in my belly. But first, we need to put some toppings on. You cannot have a lava cake without some yummy toppings, right? But that wouldn't make any sense. So some of the toppings I suggest are coconut shavings, raspberries, ice cream, any combination of 3. Or all 3. The choice is really yours, because this is a whoopsie. This is something that you should be enjoying. If you put the work in all week long, this is the least of your worries, and you need to make sure you savor it. So top it how you like. I'm going to do a little bit of Halo Top ice cream. This is actually another low sugar ice cream. If you've never tried it, give it a go. And then I'm gonna put some raspberries on the side and maybe a little coconut shavings. Maybe I'm gonna have 2. I'm not really sure. Let's see. We'll wait. Here we go. Leanness is served, squaddies. This is my lean lava cake. I actually went for all of the toppings. I couldn't help myself. This is a whoopsie. You're meant to enjoy it, embrace it. Like I said, it's guilt-free, and hi, you gotta treat yourself. Literally, treat yourself with this lean-ified whoopsie lava cake. And on that note, squaddies, if you make this, make sure you tag me at LEANSQUAD on Instagram. Make sure you follow me as well if you don't already do so, because that's where I post all the time, as well as a ton more recipes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and last but not least, if you are looking for recipes like these, yes, there are recipes like these on my custom meal plans tailored to you, then check out the 6-week lean challenge and the 90-day lean plan linked below, because it can transform your lives. It's a custom meal plan, custom workout plan, and my personal support, as well as the Lean Squad community. It's already changed thousands of other squaddies' lives. What are you really waiting for? If you're ready, let's do this together. Otherwise, it's time to make love. No, not that kind of love. You know what kind of love I'm talking about. Lean love. I'll see you back here next episode.